Cruising with the windows down, yeah. Got that rhythm all around, yeah. Let the bassline lead the way. Sunlight bouncing off the dash. No rush, we ain't moving fast. No rush, we ain't moving fast. One hand resting on the wheel. You already know the feel. Just riding the wave. In the pocket we stay. Not a single cloud in the sky today. Yeah. Glide through the city like a breeze. Simple. Every little moment puts my mind at ease. Simple. Ain't no need to overcomplicate the flow. We just let the kick in the hi-hat show. Slight swing, yeah, we bouncing to the right thing. Good vibes only, that's what the light bring. Cruising with the windows down, yeah. Got that rhythm all around, yeah. Just a simple kind of day. Let the bassline lead the way. Cruising with the windows down. Got that rhythm all around. Just a simple kind of day. Just a simple kind of day. Let the bassline lead the way. Yeah, let it lead the way. Deep pocket. Just feel the groove. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-da-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. I snap open to the sudden vertical reach of a morning that does not wait for permission. The ceiling is a relic of the heavy dark, now replaced by a sharp Sanratan architecture. I am calculating the velocity of the dust, dancing in the shafts of unfiltered oxygen. Everything is moving at a clip of 200 and my heart is just a rhythm in pocket. I step into the frame of the window glass, tracing the trajectory of the early birds. Their wings are carving out invisible geometry. There is no backdrop infant in my ankles today. Just the lift of a high-pressure system rising. I am becoming a part of the atmosphere, a voluntary witness to the clarity of the blue. This is the melodic mathematics of the sunrise, subtracting the gravity, adding the propulsion of a mind that is operating at peak frequency. Rapid fire thoughts jumping like a silver needle on a spinning record of pure oxygenated bliss. I do not need a map, pure oxygenated bliss. I do not need a map for this altitude. I am navigating by the feeling of the heat against the cold surface of the morning air. So high, upward movement, no resistance. The simple joy of being fundamentally unburdened is a concept that requires no complex theory. With the stride of a man who owns the horizon, the sky is a wide open invitation to stay suspended